Hi everyone, it's Sandy. Thank you for joining me. I'm really excited to share with you guys an unboxing video of a monthly subscription box that I had received from Your Creative Studios. I know we're in September and the subscription box that I have here is for the month of August. So I'm running a little bit late only because our postal system here in Sydney is running a little bit slow. We have been in lockdown for 3 months here in Sydney, so everything is there's just a little bit of delay in receiving our packages. But nevertheless, I managed to receive the August one here, and I'm going to put the link down below to Your Creative Studios online store as well as their Instagram. They do lovely monthly boxes full of vintage theme goodies in their boxes. And so if you're into junk journaling or vintage or shabby theme crafting or paper craft projects, these boxes are really great. I mean, I haven't seen what's inside here yet, so I'm really excited to have a look and see what Your Creative Studios have sent to me. Their September box, I think, are also already sold out, but their October monthly subscription box is already available if you wanted to head over to their online store and subscribe. They also do monthly subscriptions, 2 months or 4 months, and you can choose the more monthly subscriptions you do, you can get a discount. And she also has other items there or other vintage supplies for junk journaling. That she's got stickers. She also has ephemera stamps. But I want to go ahead and I want to have a look inside my August subscription box here. I've already cut the sticker out on the sides here, so we don't waste time. Oh, look at this. Isn't this just beautiful? Look at the tissue box, the tissue paper. And there is her, I might just come down this way. There's her sticker, Your Creative Studio. Oh, look at this cute little, oh, look at this beautiful little card that she's put inside. Isn't this just adorable? Oh, it's so cute. And this is a thank you card. Oh, it's really pretty. I love this card. And the tissue paper, I'm not too sure if it's been stamped by her or it's already printed, but it's really pretty. So let's have a look and see what's inside this one. And I do love working with vintage and shabby style theme projects as well. So, oh, look at all these goodies. Look at that. Oh, I can't wait to open and have a look. So most of the boxes are quite similar. I think she has themed ones or non-themed pieces inside the boxes. Oh, look at this. This is an antique bookstore papers, envelopes. Oh, look at this. Let's open it and have a look. I can't wait to work with some of these, and then I'll do some projects and I'm going to show you what I've done with these. Oh, these are really nice. Look at these. Such beautiful papers. It's nice. Look at that. So these are just some, I think there's 3 of the same. Oh, these are just lovely. Love these. Look, there's so many in here. Look at this one. I mean, these are great too. You can make these into tags or put these into as a card, use as collages. Add these into your pages and make a collage and put these on your pages for your journals. So these are really nice. I love these. All right, so what else have we got in here? Just put that to the side. Look at this cute little envelope. It's a stamp. Not to damage it. So the coin little envelope. Oh, look how cute this is. I think it's a squirrel. Oh my god, this is so cute. I love it. Isn't this just adorable? So this is what, these are the stuff that were in the August subscription. What has she got? this. Let's see. I think this could be. Oh, they're stickers. Oh, look at that. I love stickers. These are great too for embellishment. So if you want to do some embellishing. Oh, look at these. Oh, there's so many. I'll just put this up here a bit so you can see. Oh, these are perfect. These are just so good. These are great to just layer onto, again, on tags or your pages. It's got a nice vintage look to the images too. You get quite a few of the same ones, so you can have some extra ones. Oh, these are nice. Oh, I can't wait to make something with these. And while I'm looking at these, I've got my mind thinking about what I could do with these, and hopefully I'll be able to come up with some nice projects to show you. I'll fix that up later. Let's see what else is in here. And they're all nicely packaged as well. And there's so much stuff. Oh, these are like little ticket strips. Oh, look how many you get in here. A whole heap of them. Oh, if you were into junk journaling, I'll tell you what, you'll have so much fun with all of this. So much fun to work with, and do so many projects with them. Love these. It's like a real vintage sort of tickets. The Beatles. Okay, so that is lovely. So let's see what else is in here. So this is it's masking tape, so I'm thinking it's like washi tape. Oh, it is. Look at that, it's nice. Got some black and white colors. These are great also to for doing your pages. And we have, I think these are like, oh, these are stickers. Yeah, they're stickers, the transparent stickers. I love these as well, because you can still, when you adhere it to your papers, you can still see the print of your papers. So there's one sheet of these cute little squirrels. This is just so cute. All right, so, oh, look at these. Oh, look at these vintage stamps. Wow. I remember when I was younger, I think I was in year 6, I used to collect stamps and had one of those stamp albums. I used to love collecting stamps, and I wish I'd kept it now. But we've moved from house to house along the way, and then it just disappeared, and I don't know where it is now. But look at all of these vintage style stamps. Look how many there are. So many. Don't they just look so nice? Let me just see, are they stickers? Or you just adhere it? I think you just adhere it to your projects. But I love these. Wow. Look at that one. So they're just a pack of stickers as well, stamps that was in the box. It's back. This is another coin envelope. Look at that. It's so adorable. I love these stamps. They're like cling stamps, and then you can just stamp them on wherever you like. I can't wait to use these. So there's 2 stamps that were in the box. So you get, it was this one and this one. So that's those. is a notepad. It says notepad. So I'm just trying to find the opening. So there's some, they're all the same. Isn't it cute? I love this, and you can again add these into your journals as well, and you can write. There's quite a few papers in here. It's so cute. I love it. It's beautiful. And then what else is there? Let's see. Oh, this is cute. These are great. I could use these and make these into tags. It's got her own little belly band with her name. It's a lovely, nice textured paper too. Feels really nice. So there's a whole bunch of these, and they're all the same. So there's a few of those. I like these. I love these. It's so adorable. I might just leave that there. And we have, what do we have here? Oh, look at this. Isn't this nice? There's a roll of like a sticker strip or border strip. And then I think you just peel it off. Let's see. Just peel it off, and I think it's the white. Oh yeah, that's right. Oh, this is nice. This makes a great border on your pages. I won't peel it off, but just try again. Just don't want to damage it. I haven't used these before. Actually, I've never seen this before. Just going to take it out just so you can see. So that is how it looks like. Oh, actually, it goes this way. So you just place it on your projects, and then you have this really nice border strip. And you can even cut these up too if you wanted to, in half. Lovely pattern. This is lovely. I've never seen this before. This would be fun to use. So that's cord lace. Oh, that's good. Some of the things I haven't seen before, which would be great to use. Can't wait. So that is some lace adhesive border strips. And then there is also a box here. Let me just get my scissors. It's also a lovely vintage box. I'm upside down. It's a nice little vintage. It's like a matchbox. Slide the box out this way. Wow, look at these. Oh my goodness, look at these. They're tags. Wow, look how many you get inside. There's a whole heap of them in this box. Wow. Look at these. Oh, these are so pretty. Oh, I love things with flowers and floral images. Oh, these are just so nice. And they're nice. It's nice and thick too. And it's blank at the back, so you have somewhere to write. I actually like this one. I love pink flowers and pink florals. Look at that. There's so many. Oh, wow. Different shapes of tags. And they've already got a hole punch. It's ready for you to add your trim or twine. Oh, these are so pretty. And then these are the more vintage on brown cardstock paper or like craft paper. This beautiful image of a lady. Some scripts. Wow, these are so nice. Look at that one. I can't believe how many you get in this box. Definitely worth having a look at her. Oops, sorry. Definitely worth having a look at her online store, and definitely get yourself one of these subscription boxes. I mean, the great thing is you never know what's inside these boxes, and they're full of surprises. It's like Christmas coming, and and you get all these exciting goodies inside. So again, her October vintage subscription box is available now if you wanted to subscribe to one of the boxes. Oh, this is nice paper. I don't know, I love the feel of paper, especially when they're all different textures. This is nice. It's like tissue paper, thin paper. It's really nice. So there's 4 sheets of these inside. Oh, this is just full of goodness in this box. I'll tell you, I'm going to have so much fun making some fun stuff with all of these. I don't even know where to start. My mind's already going crazy trying to work out what I'm going to make. But so these are all the stuff. I've just had to share it with you. And so also to give you an idea, if you haven't gone to her Instagram or checked her out, really go and check out Your Creative Studio. Again, I will put all the links to her Instagram and her website, so you can have a more there's more information there for you to see what you need to do to get one of these fun boxes. I'll go this way. So I'm just so happy that I was able to share with you this unboxing. It was definitely worth sharing it with you. Unbelievable with all the amount of stuff that you get in here. I don't know where these came from, but just the way she's packaged all the items in here, it was just so neat. Oh, again, I just love these stamps. God, these are just so cute. So I'm gonna try and make something, and I'm going to come back on here and show you, hopefully very soon, some of the fun things that I'm going to make using these goodies. So again, I hope you enjoyed this video of my unboxing of my August subscription box from Your Creative Studio, and I will see you all soon in my next video. Bye for now.